Okay, so I've started recording my screen. Now I'll present my screen to you. Can you see my screen? Okay, so this is the first doubt. अगर कुछ क्वेश्चंस इसमें ऐसे हैं जो कुछ बच्चों ने ऑलरेडी सॉल्व कर लिए हैं, डोंट वरी, यू कैन जस्ट रीचेक द मेथड विथ विच यू हैव सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, बट ट्राई दैट. I've tried that. I include all your doubts. बट अगर कोई रह जाता है, कोई डाउट, तो मुझे बताओ, मैं उसको ले लूंगा. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. So this is the first doubt from exercise 7b, question number 2. First I'll make the figure. Okay, just a moment. Okay, let's start. If you at any point of time cannot see my screen, just let me know. Unmute yourself and let me know. Okay, because I cannot see that screen right now, so I can only hear you. So बीच में yes sir या no sir जो भी है बोलते रहना, नहीं तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आएगा whether you are able to see or listen or not. ठीक है? And if you don't understand anything, please ask me in between. I will explain. Okay, in a triangle ABC, it is given that AB is equal to AC. Okay, let's draw this figure. So let's say that this is triangle ABC, in which AB is equal to AC, and the bisectors of angle B and angle C intersect at O. Okay, so the bisector of angle B and angle C. Okay. Okay, so we have drawn the bisectors of angle B and angle C. So basically this angle, I'm sorry, this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle. The bisectors of angle B and angle C intersect at O. If M is a point on BO, so let this point be M on BO. Okay, BO is this line. On this line there is a point at the end, that is M. BO produced. Okay, so if we extend BO ahead, this point M is a point on it. Prove that angle MOC is this angle, is equal to angle ABC. ABC is the whole angle. Okay, so this is very easy. Just see this. First I'll write given in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. So there is no congruency to be used in this question. Okay, without congruency also we can prove this. AB is equal to AC. OB and OC are bisectors of angle ABC and angle ACB respectively. to prove angle MOC is equal to angle ABC. Proof. In triangle OBC. Can all of you see triangle OBC?
Yes, sir.
Great. So in triangle OBC, angle OBC plus angle OCB is equal to angle MOC. Can anybody tell me the reason? Angle OBC.
Exterior angle property.
Very good. Angle OBC is equal to angle OCB is equal to angle MOC. The reason being exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. Okay. So, angle OBC. What is angle OBC? Angle OBC is half angle ABC. And angle OCB is half angle ACB. Can you tell me the reason of this two?
Sir, because it is a bisector.
What is a bisector?
OB and OC
OB,
are bisector.
OB and OC.
OB and OC are bisectors of angle B and C. So you need to write the whole thing. OB, OC are, since OB and OC are bisectors of angle B and angle C. So if OB is bisecting angle B, this angle OBC, which is inside, it will be half the whole angle ABC, and this angle OCB, which is the inside angle, it will be half the whole angle ACB. Okay, so now what we'll do is we will replace angle OBC and OCB in this particular equation 1 with half angle ABC and half angle ACB. Okay, now see this. Therefore half angle ABC plus half angle ACB is equal to MOC. Okay, in the place of OBC I have put half angle ABC, in the place of OCB I have put half angle ACB. But angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Can anybody give me the reason?
AB is equals to AC.
Angles opposite to equal sides. Angles opposite to equal sides. Okay, because we know that AB and AC are equal, so the angles opposite to these two equal sides are also equal. So I can write it as half angle ABC plus half angle ABC. See, in the place of ACB I am deliberately now putting ABC because I know they are both equal, is equal to angle MOC. So can anybody tell me what is half angle ABC plus half angle ABC?
ABC.
Yes, angle ABC is equal to angle MOC, hence proved. Easy? जिसका भी डाउट था क्लियर हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Let's go to the next doubt. Now don't worry, I'm recording this session, so this video will be shared with all of you. You can, if you want to look see it again, or if you want to copy it, or if you want to just verify it, you will be having the recorded video. Okay, so I will not waste time waiting over here. I will just move ahead and you can have a look at it all over again. But still I want you to have a notebook and pen handy. So if you have, even if you have solved it or if you have tried to solve it and you made any small mistakes, you can correct it then and there. Let's go to the next question. Okay, so next doubt which has been asked to me is in question number 4. ABC.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I was having the doubt in question number 3.
Okay. Let me see question number 3. You didn't write in the group. You wrote it earlier, but I missed it. Okay, let me check. 7B, right?
Yes, sir.
Which one you said? Question number 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me just just a moment. My class is going. Okay. Okay, I'll try to shift this. Okay, we've got question number 3 over here. Wait. Okay, we've got enough space also. So P is a point on the bisector of angle ABC. P is a point on the bisector of an angle ABC. Let me make an angle ABC. ABC on the bisector of angle ABC. Bisector is drawn like this. Doesn't look like a bisector. Let me. Okay, so this is bisector of angle ABC, and on the bisector there is a point P. Okay, this angle ABP is equal to angle PBC. A line through P parallel to AB meets BC at Q. Okay, so we have to draw a line through P parallel to AB meets BC at Q. Okay, so this point, do you see this line PQ? It is parallel to AB. Okay, PQ is parallel to AB and PQ is meeting BC at Q. Prove that triangle BPQ is isosceles. Wow. Triangle BPQ is isosceles. It is isosceles indeed. Okay, let's write given. BP bisects angle ABC, that is given. PQ is parallel to AB and PQ meets BC at Q. Okay, to prove triangle BPQ is an isosceles triangle. Now, isosceles triangle means any two of its sides are equal or any two of its angles are equal. Not only sides, it can be angles also. Right? Let's start. Okay. First thing, angle ABP is equal to angle PBC. Angle ABP is equal to angle PBC. Can anybody tell me the reason? ABP and
BP bisects angle ABC.
yes, because BP is a bisector of angle ABC. That's why ABP is equal to PBC, right? Great. Next, angle ABP is equal to angle BPQ. Angle ABP, this one, is equal to angle BPQ. Can anybody tell me why?
Alternate interior angles.
Alternate interior angle.
Very good. So that's just see the red line. Okay. So one is this angle and one is this angle. Because AB is parallel to PQ, therefore alternate interior angles are equal. So alternate interior angles. So angle ABP is equal to angle BPQ. So this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Therefore, we can say that angle PBC or angle PBQ actually is equal to angle BPQ. And therefore, triangle BPQ is isosceles. Any two of its angles are equal, and that's why it is isosceles. Is the doubt clear now?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Next question. The next doubt is in question number 4.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Can I send the doubts in the group now?
No, you cannot, because I cannot do multitasking. Now I've already started recording. Why you have another doubts also? See, I have question number 4 here, 5, 9, 11, 15, 18, 20. Are your doubts covered in these, or you have other doubts?
Sir, I have other doubts like 10
And
and 16.
10th and 16th.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it enough that if I solve these doubts, or you want me to solve the whole exercise for you?
No, sir, it is enough.
So let me finish this one. If then also your doubt is remaining, then we'll see. Okay.
Okay.
ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle A is 90 degree and AB is equal to AC. Okay. This is a right isosceles triangle. Angle A is 90 degree and AB is equal to AC. Find angle B and C. ये किसका डाउट है रे? कौन पूछता है ये डाउट? AB is equal to AC. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle ACB is equal to X. Angles opposite to equal sides. Okay. So these two angles are X. Therefore, in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. किसने पूछा है मेरे पास? उसकी तो मुझे रोस्टिंग करनी पड़ेगी. So angle B is X, angle C is also X. So therefore 2x is equal to 180 minus 90. So 2x is equal to 90 and x is equal to 90 by 2, which is 45 degree. So therefore angle B and angle C is equal to 45 degree. कौन है ये महान? देखते हैं कहाँ है मेरा मोबाइल. हाँ यहाँ पे. ये भार्गव ने पूछा था मेरे को. भार्गव, आर यू देयर? भार्गव किधर है? भार्गव किधर? एक तो लास्ट मोमेंट पे होमवर्क भेजता है. किधर है तू? कैम ऑन कर तेरा. ऑन योर कैम भार्गव. क्या डाउट पूछ रहे वे भार्गव? तू लास्ट मोमेंट पे होमवर्क भेज के यही डाउट. आई एम श्योर तूने होमवर्क ठीक से किया भी नहीं होगा. ये तो मुझे होमवर्क चेक करने का भी टाइम नहीं मिला तेरा. 5 मिनट लाइव क्लास से 5 मिनट पहले तूने होमवर्क सबमिट किया और ये तेरा डाउट था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. इसमें दूसरे लोगों के जेन्युइन डाउट्स भी सॉल्व नहीं होते. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. RT is equal to TS. Angle 1 is equal to 2 times angle 2. ये कंफ्यूजिंग हो सकता है यहाँ पे. एंगल 1 is 2 times angle 2. मतलब एंगल 1 एंगल 2 का डबल है. एंड एंगल 4 is 2 times एंगल 3. एंगल 4 एंगल 3 का डबल. Prove that triangle RBT is congruent to triangle SAT. Can you see triangle RBT and SAT? हमें प्रूव करना है कि
Yes,
दोनों
sir.
ट्राइंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट. ठीक है, लेट्स सी. अब सबसे पहले तो RT इज इक्वल टू TS है और ये RB और SA ये एंगल बाइसेक्टर है या कुछ ऐसा कुछ भी बताया नहीं है. सिर्फ ये जो रिलेशनशिप उन्होंने बताया है दैट इज 2 टाइम्स वाला रिलेशनशिप बताया. ठीक है. ओके, आई थिंक ये 2 टाइम्स वाला रिलेशनशिप कंफ्यूज करने के लिए दिया है. सो ये हो जाएगा. ये कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है इसमें. देखो सबसे पहले गिवन लिख लेते हैं. गिवन इज RT is equal to TS. Angle 1 is 2 times angle 2 and angle 4 is 2 times angle 3. To prove angle RBT is congruent to triangle RBT is congruent to triangle SAT. Okay, proof. सबसे पहले मैं यहाँ पे एक कंफ्यूजन क्लियर करना चाहता हूँ ये एंगल 1 और एंगल 4 का. So I'll be writing angle 1 is equal to angle 4. Vertically opposite angles, right? Therefore, 2 times angle 2 is equal to 2 times angle 3. Angle 1 और angle 4 equal है तो 2 times angle 2 और 2 times angle 3 भी equal है. ये 2 कट हो जाएगा and therefore we can say that एंगल 2, रूट लिख रहा हूं मैं भी महान हूं, एंगल 2 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 3। ये दोनों एंगल 2 और एंगल 3 इक्वल हो गए। अच्छा, और एक चीज समझ लो, हमें कौन सा ट्राइंगल प्रूव करना है ये भी क्लियर हो जाना चाहिए। आर बी टी, मैं इसको रेड हाईलाइट दे देता हूं ताकि ये विजुअलाइज करना इजी हो जाएगा। आर बी टी एंड एस ए टी, ठीक है। So I hope you can all see the two red and green triangles which are to be proved congruent. अब ये दोनों ट्राइंगल में we have to find out the parts which are equal. तो मुझे एंगल 2 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 3 तक सब कुछ मिल चुका है, मतलब एंगल 2 और एंगल 3 ये दोनों ट्राइंगल का पार्ट नहीं है, लेकिन मुझे ये पता चल गया कि एंगल 2 और एंगल 3 इक्वल है। ठीक है। सो नाउ द स्टेप्स विच आई एम गोइंग टू राइट, दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। और सब लोग जिसको भी डाउट है प्लीज देखो इसको अच्छे से मैं कैसे सॉल्व कर रहा हूं। सी वी नो दैट आर टी इज इक्वल टू टी एस बिकॉज इट इज गिवन, therefore angle TRS is equal to angle TSR, angles opposite to equal sides, angles opposite to equal sides are equal, RT is equal to TS। ठीक है। अब देखो एंगल TRS, therefore एंगल TRS माइनस एंगल 2, ये स्टेटमेंट 1 और 2 में दे देता हूं, इनको सबट्रैक्ट कर रहा हूं मैं। एंगल TRS दिख रहा है तुम्हें, ये पूरा एंगल, इसमें से ये एंगल 2 जो नीचे वाला एंगल है उसको सबट्रैक्ट कर रहा हूं, एंड इट विल बिकम इक्वल टू एंगल TSR माइनस एंगल 3। कैन एनीवन टेल मी what is angle TRS minus angle 2?
Angle TRB.
Very good, angle TRB. And what is angle TSR minus angle 3? Angle TSA. Very good. So हमें क्या मिला है अभी मैं तुम्हें हाईलाइट करके बता देता हूं। We have got these two angles as equal, और ये अगर हम प्रोसीजर नहीं करते तो ये हमें पार्ट नहीं मिलता, जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सिलेक्ट द ट्राइंगल्स। सो इन ट्राइंगल्स RBT एंड ट्राइंगल SAT, ठीक है, एंगल TRB इज इक्वल टू एंगल TSA, प्रूव्ड। अभी हमने प्रूव किया ना, यहां पे यही मैंने पहला स्टेटमेंट लिख दिया। अच्छा, दूसरा एंगल RTB इज इक्वल टू एंगल STA। कैन एनीबडी टेल मी व्हाई?
Common.
वेरी गुड, कॉमन। एंड थर्ड पार्ट, वेट लेट मी कॉल आउट अ नेम, जानवी, जानवी हो देयर? जानवी, जानवी,
Yes, sir.
जानवी, थर्ड पार्ट, आई वांट द थर्ड पार्ट फ्रॉम यू। इन ट्राइंगल RBT एंड SAT मैंने दो पार्ट तो लिख दिए, एक तो ये जो दो एंगल्स है नीचे, और ये ऊपर वाला एंगल जो कॉमन है दोनों में। कैन यू टेल मी द थर्ड पार्ट बेटा? जानवी, यू लिसनिंग?
Yes, sir. Just a second.
Okay, a second is up. In fact, 5 seconds, 10 seconds are up. Okay. Yash, are you there? Yash? Yash,
Yes, sir.
tell me. Third part, which is equal in both the triangles, overlapping triangles, green and red. Third part कौन सा equal है?
Angle TBR
अरे
is
एंगल तो
equal
हो
to
गए ना दोनों. कितने एंगल डालेगा? तीसरा साइड होनी चाहिए. Rishi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, third part.
Sir, this is my doubt only.
अच्छा, this is बट अब तो बता दे भाई. इतना तेरे को हेल्प कर दिया, ट्रायंगल भी विजुअलाइजेशन करवा दिया. अब तो आइडिया आया कि नहीं आया?
सर अभी तक थोड़ा सा भी आइडिया नहीं आया सर.
मतलब अभी भी तेरे को कुछ समझ में नहीं आया ये पूरे सम में?
नहीं सर, वो सब समझ आया.
लेकिन वो थर्ड पार्ट
बाकी
कौन
का
सा है वो नहीं दिख रहा है.
नहीं सर, वो नहीं दिख
क्यों
रहा.
बेटा? आंखें दी है ना, अंदर वाली आंखें. अंदर वाली आंखें भगवान ने दी है ना तुमको, उनको खोलो बेटा. अंदर वाली आंखों को खोलो और उनसे देखो. बाहर वाली आंखें तो अभी कोई काम नहीं कर रही है, तो अंदर वाली आंखों का यूज करो.
सर RT equals to ST.
ये कौन सी आंखों से देख के बताया तुमने? हाँ, बिल्कुल सही बताया. यू आर राइट. या किसी ने प्रॉम्प्ट किया तुमको?
Sir, no one is there in room. I am alone.
So you cracked yourself, huh?
Yes sir.
Very good. See, that's what we want. So RT is equal to TS. Reason क्या है बेटा? रीजन क्या है? गिवन. कौन बोला ये? यूट्यूबर बोला ना पीछे से?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, यूट्यूबर. ठीक है, हो गया. RT इज इक्वल टू TS. प्रूव्ड. अच्छा, ये तो लास्ट पार्ट हमने प्रूव किया. सो देयरफॉर ट्रायंगल RBT, ये B है और ये A है. ठीक है, मैंने उल्टा लिखा. ये A है और ये B है. तो ट्रायंगल RBT इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्रायंगल SAT. जानवी, बाय विच टेस्ट? जानवी, सो मत जाओ यार बीच में. तुम लोग 10 बार बुलाना पड़ता है तब एक बार जाके आंसर करते हो. या तो तुम सो गए हो या तो तुम्हारा नेटवर्क सो गया है. ठीक है, AAS टेस्ट डन. प्रूव्ड कॉन्ग्रुएंट. अब समझ में आया क्या ऋषि?
Yes sir.
थैंक यू, वेरी गुड.
Sir,
यस.
sir, did you say
सर AAS कैसे? ASA है ना?
ASA, यस यस. कुछ लोग जाग रहे हैं, कुछ लोग जाग रहे हैं. मेरी गलती से कुछ लोग जाग रहे हैं. अब मैं जानबूझ के गलतियां करूंगा. थैंक यू यार. ASA, ये तो गलती मेरे से हो गई और कुछ लोगों ने बोला. अच्छी बात है. ASA टेस्ट, वेरी नाइस. इट इज ASA. Okay, great. Let's go to the next question. This looks easy. 9th question. In the given figure, PA is perpendicular to AB and QB is also perpendicular to AB and PA is equal to QB. If PQ intersects AB at O, show that O is the midpoint of AB as well as that of PQ. ऐसा क्वेश्चन हमने शायद पहले कहीं किया हुआ है. ऐसा मुझे क्यों लग रहा है पता नहीं. एनीवेज,
सर आपकी वीडियो में था.
हाँ ना. ठीक है, तो मैं अगर ये सिर्फ फिगर को एक्सप्लेन करूंगा तो इसका प्रूफ लिख पाओगे?
Yes sir.
ओके, देखो पहले तो ये एंगल मुझे इक्वल लग रहा है. Why are these two angles equal, AOP and BOQ?
Sir,
Vertically opposite.
vertically
Vertically
opposite.
opposite
Okay, so
angles.
these two triangles are already congruent by AAS test, है ना? अगर ये दोनों ट्राइंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट है तो O तो मिड पॉइंट हो गया AB का, मतलब OB इज इक्वल टू OA, CPCTC, एंड OP इज इक्वल टू OQ. Why? CPCTC. सही है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
सिर्फ दोनों ट्राइंगल को कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करना था, और CPCTC से OB is equal to OA, that is O is midpoint of AB, and OP is equal to OQ, that is O is midpoint of PQ. बस ये इतना प्रूव करना था तुमको, और कुछ नहीं. डन. लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Sir, can you solve 10th one?
Yeah, sure. Let me take that.
Sir,
Yep.
sir, can you please solve the 7th one also?
Okay. पूरी एक्सरसाइज करवाओगे तुम लोग? ठीक है, ले लेता हूं.
सर आपने लास्ट क्लास में ये सॉल्व किया है.
लास्ट क्लास में?
यस सर, यू हैव सॉल्व दिस.
बट लास्ट क्लास में तो सिर्फ 7A किया था हमने. इज इट सिमिलर टू दैट?
सर बट आपने ये किया है, इतना मालूम है.
अच्छा, मेरे को देखने दो, चलो. Let me have a look. I'll 10th ना, 7th and 10th. Okay. इसको तो मैं डिलीट ही कर देता हूँ. ओके, यहाँ पे हम 7th ले लेते हैं पहले. ओके, 7th क्वेश्चन ऑन पब्लिक डिमांड. पब्लिक डिमांड किस तरह तो सुना मैंने, ये यूट्यूबर बोलता है शायद, ये पब्लिक डिमांड है ना, ऐसा कुछ बोला था ना तूने कौशल?
हाँ सर,
हाँ,
वीडियो में था.
ये अपनी पब्लिक डिमांड यहाँ पे 7th वाला. In triangle PQR, if PQ is equal to QR, okay, let me draw that. In triangle PQR, PQ is equal to QR. LMN are midpoints of the sides PQ, QR and RP. हाँ यार, लग तो रहा है किया हुआ है. ठीक है, देख लेते हैं. मिड पॉइंट बनाने LMN. आई थिंक एक किया है मैंने, रेड से बनाया था, मुझे याद है. PQ is equal to QR, सिर्फ नेमिंग उसका अलग था. L M N are the midpoints
doubt in that.
Sorry.
Sir, I just have a doubt in which test is it?
Test.
Not in the proof.
Okay, all right.
Yes, with which test is it proved?
Okay. Let me complete the diagram and we'll discuss. Oops. Prove that ln is equal to mn. ln is equal to mn हो ही नहीं सकता. L is midpoint of PQ, M is midpoint of QR, N is midpoint of RP. Prove that ln is equal to mn. मुझे तो यहाँ पे गड़बड़ लग रही है यार. ये LM होना चाहिए. PQ is equal to
ट्रायंगल का नेमिंग चेंज कीजिए.
ट्रायंगल का नेमिंग.
सर
Yes.
जिधर n है उधर m होना चाहिए.
हाँ, जिधर L M N. हाँ,
Yes,
M
sir.
और N की पोजीशन चेंज करनी है शायद.
हाँ.
Yes, sir. It is mn equal to ln.
या LM इज इक्वल टू MN करना है. ठीक है, तो मैंने ये चेंज किया है. LM इज इक्वल टू MN. तो ये तो हो सकता है प्रूव. Because PQ is equal to QR, so angle PQR is equal to angle NRM. So these two triangles are congruent by SAS test, and therefore LM is equal to MN. Yes, so if you have a doubt in this, it's a legitimate doubt. Pritha, that's what your doubt was?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so now you'll be able to solve, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so you there is a mistake in the question. You have to prove LM is equal to MN.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Great, done. Moving to the next question. Okay, in the figure, X and Y are respectively 2 points on equal sides AB and AC of triangle ABC such that AX is equal to AY. Okay, sorry. Somebody said something. कुछ बोलना है आपको?
Sorry, sir, by mistake.
Wait, ये मैंने कुछ कॉपी पेस्ट किया इसलिए this is the problem. Wait just a moment. So AX is equal to AY. I'm just going to draw this AX and AY with green ink. So these two parts are equal, and AB is equal to AC is also given. Okay, so I'm just going to highlight these two sides. AB is equal to AC. The whole AB and AC sides are equal, and also AX and AY are parts of AB and AC, and they are also equal. Prove that CX is equal to BY. CX is equal to BY. I think it is easy. I think CX and BY can be proved very easily. ऋषि तेरा डाउट है ना ये? जरा ध्यान से देखना. ऋषि.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, अब देख मैं इसको थोड़ा अलग से बना रहा हूँ. So I'm going to construct. Let me choose two inks separately. I'm going to construct first triangle ABY. and the second triangle ACX. Okay, so A, B, Y, and A, C, X. Now Rishi, help me to find out the parts which are equal in these two separated parts. पहले तो ये ड्रॉ करना सीख ले, तो फिर तो कोई भी ट्राइंगल ओवरलैपिंग ट्राइंगल्स को प्रूव कर सकता है. अब ये दो ट्राइंगल दिख रहे हैं ना तेरे को? टेल मी विच पार्ट्स आर इक्वल.
Sir, AB equals to AC, which is
गिवन.
given.
और
Angle ABY equals to angle AC.
no. AX is equal to AY. AX is equal to AY. Did you see that?
Yes, sir.
थर्ड पार्ट. ये दोनों ट्राइंगल कहां से आए हैं उसको देख. एक ट्राइंगल ये है, और दूसरा ट्राइंगल क्या है? ये वाला. क्या क्या इक्वल है इसमें? क्या दिख रहा है तेरे को? एक मन की आंखें खोल और देख. What is equal now? Tell me. ये इक्वल नहीं है? एंगल
sir.
ए.
Yes, sir.
क्यों इक्वल है एंगल ए?
Common.
कॉमन. ये
Common.
So are these two triangles congruent by SAS test?
Yes, sir.
And that therefore we can say that CX is equal to BY.
By CTC.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Very good. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. नेक्स्ट डाउट. लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है ना ऋषि? लिख लेगा ना?
Yes, sir. लिख लूंगा.
ग्रेट. इन द फिगर C is midpoint of AB. पहले तो ये पता लगाते हैं किसने पूछा ये, ताकि उनसे बात भी कर सके हम डायरेक्टली. 11th. Somebody asked me 11th. Whose doubt is this? 11th one.
Sir, me, Krishna.
Me, Krishna. Okay. Oh yes, Krishna. कृष्णा, तू मेरे से बात करते रहे तो मुझे समझ में आएगा, ठीक है? C is midpoint
Okay,
of AB and angle DCA is equal to angle ECB, ठीक है? And angle DBC, मतलब ये वाला एंगल, कॉर्नर वाला एंगल, is equal to angle, just a moment, कोई तो लेट आ रहा है. Yes, अथर्वा, are you there? Atharva, you just joined.
Yes, sir.
What is the matter? Why you late?
Sir, because of net.
Okay, no problem. I'm recording this session, so I'll share the whole thing with you later. Now you can join the class, no problem. Okay, so DC is equal to EC. ये हमें प्रूव करना है. DC is equal to EC. Now this is a classic case of overlapping triangles, जिसमें कंफ्यूजन होता है. ऋषि, तेरे को नहीं हुआ इसमें कंफ्यूजन? ऋषि
सर थोड़ा सा हुआ था.
हुआ था ना? हाँ, वही बोल रहा हूं मैं. कोई बात नहीं. आंचल, आर यू देयर? आंचल, if you are there, please answer. Aanchal, you are there? Can you hear me? Siddhi, are you there? Siddhi, not Siddhi Pimple.
Yes, sir.
There are two Siddhis here. Siddhi Malik. Mulik.
Yes, sir.
Actually. Yes,
Yes,
Siddhi.
sir.
Can you see these two triangles, red and green?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, were you able to solve this question?
A little bit.
Yes. So please help me now. I'm going to draw these two triangles separately, okay? Below this. So one triangle will come over here. Many people, they have issue with this kind of overlapping problems. But that's what we have to learn. And the second triangle is like this. Okay? So we have, and the second triangle is green. Wait, I'll make
Excuse
it
me,
blue.
sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, is it already congruent because of ASA test?
No,
ASA.
no. It has to be proved congruent by ASA test, but there is one small little tiny thing which is not given equal, so we have to make it. I'll tell you what. First, let's name the triangles A, C, E, and B, C, D. Okay, can you see these two triangles, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Great.
Yes, sir.
Now, angle A is equal to angle B. See, it is given angle DBC. Angle DBC is this one, angle B is equal to angle EAC. Okay, so it is given. Achha, what else is given? It is given that angle DCA is equal to angle ECB. Okay, C is midpoint of AB is also given. If C is midpoint of AB, that means AC is equal to BC. That is also given. Okay. Now look at the figure very carefully. I'm going to write something.
Sir, is angle C equals to angle C?
No, not directly. That is what we have to prove, but not directly. See, what is given to us? Angle DCA is given equal to angle ECB. Now, DCA is just this much, this tiny, and ECB is just this much. Okay, we want angle ECA, that is this whole thing. And we have just got a part of angle ECA as angle DCA. And on the other side, we want the whole thing, angle DCB, to be equal. But we have just got a part of it, angle ECB. So what do we do? Adding angle DCE to both sides. So angle DCA plus angle DCE is equal to angle ECB plus angle DCE. Actually, I should write DCE first, but it's okay. Okay. So both the sides we have added angle DCE. What is angle DCE? Angle DCE is this middle wala part. Can you see this middle wala part? That I have added to both the sides. So can anybody tell me what is angle DCA plus angle DCE?
Sir, ACE.
Very good. Angle ACE is equal to angle
BCD.
DCE plus ECB, which is angle DCB.
BCD.
Yes. Okay. So we have now proved that the whole angle over here is equal to the whole angle over here. And now you can look at the figure and say that these two triangles are congruent by which test?
ASA.
ASA. And since they are congruent by ASA test, we can say that DC is equal to EC, CPCTC. Done? Did everyone understand? Rishi understood?
Yes, sir.
Siddhi, Mulik understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And Krishna?
Yes, sir.
Great. So I hope that you will be able to write the whole proof by yourself now that you understand the method. Will you be able to write yourself?
Sir, written.
Yes, sir.
Great, great, great,
Yes, sir.
great. Chalo, next. Okay, this is one of the most common doubt which many of the students had.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I had a doubt in question 12 also.
Okay, who is this?
Niyati.
Niyati. Question number 12. Let me have a look at question 12. क्या है? Niyati, can we do the difficult ones first so that if somebody wants to leave, they can?
Okay, sir.
15th, 18th is okay, I don't know, but 20th, many students they had doubt in 15th and 20th. So first I'm going to do 15th, then I'm going to do 20th, and then 18th and the remaining ones, whichever you have doubt in, so that if somebody wants to leave from between, they can. Okay, so this
Okay,
question is very nice question. Just have a look. In triangle PQR, it is an equilateral triangle. So in triangle PQR, PQ is equal to PR is equal to QR. Can anybody tell me what is the measure of angle PQR?
Sixty degree.
60.
60 degree.
This is also 60 and the whole thing over here also is 60. Okay, so we can visualize that PQR is equilateral now. And QRST is a square. QRST is a square. So QT, TS, RS and QR, they are all equal. Now you see one very peculiar thing about this figure. All the sides of equilateral triangle are equal and they are in turn equal to all the sides of square. So PQ, QR, PR, QT, TS, RS all are equal to each other. Right?
Sir, so if we write PT equals to QT, that means PT is equals to PS also.
एक minute, PT is equal to QT? No, PT is not equal to QT. PQ is equal to QT. Wait, I will highlight the lengths or the parts which are equal. Okay, see all these green ink parts, they are all equal to each other. The only parts which are highlighted in green ink are equal. Okay, none other. Now you know what are equal parts and which are not.
Yes, sir.
Great. Okay, now we have to first prove PT is equal to PS. Now see, it's very funny, it's very easy. What did I tell you about angle Q? How much is it? How much is angle Q?
60 degree.
60 degrees.
60 degree.
How much is angle R?
60 degree.
How much is angle TQR?
90 degree.
90 degree.
Why?
90 degree.
Why?
Right, because
Right angle.
Angles, yeah, angles of a square. What is angle QRS?
90 degree.
Okay, so can you tell me what is the measure of angle PQT?
Sir, 60 plus 60.
60 plus 90.
And 60 plus 90, which is 150.
150.
Angle PQT is how much? 150. Angle PRS is how much?
150.
150.
150.
Now, can you see triangle PQT and triangle PRS? Can you see these two triangles?
Yes, sir.
Can I say that angle PQT is equal to angle PRS?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because both are 150 degree. Don't write like this. Huh? You have to explain everything. That this is 60 and this is 90. This is also 60 and this is also 90 with reason. That's why both are 150. So the whole reason thing you have to write. You know it now, but it is only then you have to mention it. Okay. One more thing. PQ is equal to PR. Can you tell me why?
Sides of
Sir,
an
equilateral
Sides of
triangle.
equilateral triangle.
equilateral
And
equal.
QT is equal to RS. Sides of a square.
Square.
So are these two triangles PQT and PRS congruent?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
By which test?
SS.
Yes.
Okay, and therefore we can say that PT is equal to PS. CPCTC. तो पहला वाला तो हो गया इजीली. PSR को मुझे 15 डिग्री प्रूव करना है. अब तो यार इतना इजी है ये. PSR कौन हेल्प करेगा मुझे? PSR ये वाला एंगल 15 डिग्री है. कौन हेल्प करेगा?
सर कहना है
कौन है? नाम बताओ अपना.
मानस.
Manas, please go ahead.
Sir, we know that PRS is 150 degree, that is proved, and
150.
RPS is equal to RSP
No, first you have to write
because angle suppose.
yes, RP is equal to RS and therefore angle RPS is equal to angle RSP. Angles opposite to equal sides. Then
Sir, let angle RPS be X and RSP be X. Therefore, sir, X plus 150 degree is 180 degree angle sum property.
yes,
And 2x is equal to 180 minus 150, that is 30, and x is equal to 30 by 2, that is 15 degree.
very
And
good.
sir, x is equal to PSR, that is 15 degree.
Done. समझ में आया क्या सबको?
Yes, sir.
Many students asked
Yes,
this
sir.
doubt, but I think this was very easy question. But it's good that we had a discussion on this. And this is an interesting question. ICSE वाले बच्चों, Tanisha Mohanan, are you there?
Yes, sir.
GR Ralph, are you there? GR Ralph? Siddhi Pimple?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you will find this question in your textbook. It is there.
Yes, sir. It's there.
Yeah. So see what is the thing? The topic is exactly same. Once you understand the concept behind it, CBSE, ICSE does not matter. You can solve any question from anybody's book, and many of the questions are common questions. Okay. So good that we solved this doubt. Now the next doubt I want to solve is the 20th one. This is also there in your textbook. Okay. In the figure, ABCD is a square, M is the midpoint of AB, and PQ is perpendicular to CM. So in this figure, ABCD is a square, M is midpoint of AB. Let me just mention over here. AM is equal to MB, M is midpoint of AB, ABCD is a square. So all the sides of the square are equal, okay. PQ is perpendicular to CM, okay, that is okay. Meets AD at P. CM meets AD at P, no. And PQ is perpendicular to CM meets AD at P. C produced meets AD at P or something like that. Or okay. So they mean that PQ, which is perpendicular to CM, it meets AD at P. PQ meets AD at P, and CB produced at Q. Okay, CB, if you produce CB ahead, it meets PQ at Q. Okay, no problem. There is no controversy in all this. Okay, what you have to prove is PA is equal to BQ. PA is equal to BQ. Okay, it can be proved easily. No problem in that. and CP is equal to AB plus PA. CP is equal to AB plus PA. Okay, I think we can prove all that. First, let's start from the first part. PA is equal to BQ. Okay, so I'll write given. In figure, ABCD is a square. M is midpoint of AB. M is midpoint of AB. PQ is perpendicular to CM. Okay. To prove PA is equal to BQ, and number 2, CP is equal to AB plus PA. Okay, so proof. Let's start with the proof. So first I have to prove that PA is equal to BQ. Can anybody tell me the triangles which I need to consider to prove PA is equal to BQ?
Sir, triangle AMP and triangle BMQ.
Okay, in triangle AMP and triangle BMQ, AMP and BMQ, list the equal parts. Who will list?
Sir,
Wait.
AMP.
Let me give chance to Niyati. You are there, Niyati?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please list the equal parts.
So AM is equals to BM.
AM is equal to BM. Okay, next. Why so? Reason?
Because M is the midpoint of
Okay.
A.
Okay, great. Next.
PM is equals to QM.
I'm not sure about that. No, I'm not sure about that. PM is equal to QM is not given to you. Anybody else?
Sir, can I?
Sir, can I?
Wait, let me select someone. Arya, are you there, Arya?
Yes, sir.
Please tell me.
Sir, angle AMP is equals to angle QMB, vertically opposite angles.
Angle AMP is equal to angle QMB, vertically opposite angles. I would like, who has not tried yet? Tanvi, are you there? Tanvi? Tanvi, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Tanvi, please tell me the next part. We have got AM is equal to BM, AMP is equal to QMB. One more part we need.
Sir, angle MAP is equal to angle MBQ.
Angle MAP is equal to angle MBQ. Can you tell me why?
As because both are 90 degree.
Very nice. So see, this is 90 degree angle of a square, and this is also 90. You know why? Because AD is parallel to CB, and these two are alternate interior angles. Or you can say that angle angle CBA. Angle CBA is 90, interior angle of square. So this has to be 90, angle QBM, because it's a linear pair. So there are many reasons. You can write both 90 degree, no problem. Since there are many reasons, okay. So, Pritha, can you tell me, are these two triangles congruent? And if yes, can you tell me the correspondence as well? Pritha?
Yes, sir. It is congruent. And the correspondence. Yes.
A is,
It is.
yeah.
A is corresponding to B. M corresponds to M itself.
Okay.
And P corresponds to Q.
Very nice. By which test, beta?
Sir, ASA.
Very nice. ASA test. Okay. So we have proved these two triangles to be congruent. Now we can say that PA, therefore PA is equal to BQ. CPCTC.
Sir, one more side is equal. MP equals to MQ.
How come, beta? How come? That's what Niyati told, but I didn't get the reason for that.
Yes, sir. Sir, because PQ divides AM divides PQ equally.
How come? It's not
So
given.
Sir, it is given.
No, it's not given. Where is it given? Tell me now. M is midpoint
Sir-
of AB दिया है और क्या दिया है?
Sir, PQ. Sir, it is given.
It is not given. कहाँ दिया है? नहीं दिया है. It's not given, बाबा.
Sir, PQ is perpendicular to CM.
हाँ, परपेंडिकुलर मतलब थोड़ी वो बाइसेक्ट करेगा. परपेंडिकुलर मतलब 90 डिग्री बना रहा है. Perpendicular does not mean it is bisector. So you can't take that. Okay. चलो अभी सेकंड पार्ट पे आते हैं. CP is equal to AB plus PA. कैसे करेंगे? CP.
Sir, we will take triangle PCM and triangle QCM.
Okay. So in triangle PCM and triangle QCM. Tanisha Garg, are you there? Tanisha Garg. Tanisha Garg. Tanisha Mohanan.
Yes, sir.
Please tell me, PCM, QCM कैसे congruent करना है?
Sir, angle PMC is equal to angle QMC. Reason is both are 90 degree.
Okay, angle PMC is equal to angle QMC, both 90 degree. Next.
MC is equal to MC. Reason is common.
Okay.
Therefore, triangle PMC is congruent to angle
Hey.
QM.
Wait, only two parts. The third
Sir,
part.
PM equals to QM. M is the midpoint.
PM is equal to QM. Hey, that has to be proved. यहाँ पे इसको PM is equal to QM लिखना पड़ेगा हमें. CPCTC. नहीं तो आगे नहीं बढ़ पाएंगे हम लोग यहाँ पे. So PM is equal to QM. अच्छा ये Pritha, if you are referring to this, it has not given, but we have proved that because we have proved these two triangles congruent earlier. ये दोनों triangle को हमने पहले ही congruent prove कर दिया था, and that's why now we
Yes,
can.
sir, by CPCTC.
Yes. Now we can say that these two are equal, and we can write.
Sir, we can take PM equals to QM equation 1, and in the reason we can write proved above in equation 1.
Yeah, that's what I have written. Proved. Okay, so now triangle PCM is congruent to triangle QCM by which test?
SAS test.
Correct. Okay, now what we have to prove? CP is equal to AB plus PA. Easy, very easy. See, we know that CP is equal to CQ. Why? Can you tell me why CP is equal to CQ?
CPCTC.
Yes. Now just look at what I'm going to do ahead. Okay, very important. CP is equal to, you see what is CQ? CB plus BQ. Can I split it like this?
Yes, sir.
And this CB is equal to
BA.
Yes,
BA
CB
and
is
QB
equal to
equals to
AB. Sides of the square are equal. And BQ I have already proved equal to PA or AP. Right? So I can write PA. So CP is equal to AB plus PA. It is proved. Did you understand now? Whoever did not understand before. समझ में आया तुम लोगों को?
Yes, sir.
Great. तो ये लास्ट था. अब कुछ डाउट रह गए हैं, जैसे ये वाला है, वो कर लेते हैं. एंड और भी कोई डाउट है तो बता दो, अभी डिस्कस कर सकते हैं.
एक्सरसाइज सी
एक्सरसाइज सी में है I think मेरे से पूरा homework ही करवा लोगे तुम लोग.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, can I go after this class because I am having computer class
Yeah.
also?
Go. You can go, no problem.
Sir, I too have my computer.
Yes, whoever wants to leave can leave now. I am recording this session and you are telling on record that you want to leave. तो आप झूठ तो बोलोगे नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, आप जा सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम
Sir, I'll go after this doubt because 18 is my doubt also.
नहीं. Okay, all right. So whoever wants to leave can leave, no problem. Okay, just take my permission and go.
Sir, Jia will also leave. I guess she's not able to speak with her. She has some difficulty with the mic, so she'll
Okay,
also.
no problem.
Sir, can I leave as my drawing exam is there?
Who is this?
Sanjot.
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Okay.
Okay, so this is one more doubt. In figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB is equal to AD and BC is equal to DC. You have to prove that AC bisects angle A and angle C. That means you have to prove that this angle BAC is equal to angle DAC, and this angle BCA is equal to angle DCA, this angle. And it is very easy. You just need to look at this figure and understand that there are two triangles involved. One is like this and the other is like this. ABC and ADC. Can you see these two triangles?
Yes, sir.
Are they equal? Are they congruent?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Why? Because AB is equal to AD
And DC equals to CD.
and AC and AC are common. Right? AC is common na in between.
Yes, sir.
So these two triangles are congruent by which test? SSS. Right?
SSS.
Yes, and therefore angle BAC is equal to angle DAC and angle BCA is equal to angle DCA, and therefore the first thing is proved. AC bisects angle A and angle C. That was easy, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you have to prove that AC is perpendicular bisector of BD. So I want you to focus on this figure which I am drawing. Okay. And here this point I am going to name O. Okay, so I have to prove that AC is perpendicular bisector of BD. Means this AC is perpendicular to BD. That means this angle is 90 degree, and AC bisects BD. That means OB is equal to OD. Okay, we know that AB is equal to AD. Okay, we already know that AB is equal to AD. And these two angles are 90 degree because hey, no, that we have to prove. I'm sorry. This also we have to prove. So I will just write O over here. Okay. Can you tell me one more part which is equal in both the triangles AOB and AOD?
AO is equal to AO common side.
Yes. And the last thing which we have already proved, that angle BAO is equal to angle DAO. See, we have proved it over here in the first part. So are these two triangles congruent, BAO and DAO?
Yes, sir.
By which test?
SAS.
Yes. So they are congruent by SAS test, and that's why I can say that, see what I'm going to write. Up to congruency, you know how to write, but after that, it's very important how to write. Just look at how I'm doing it. Okay, so I'm going to write BO is equal to OD CPCTC. Also, angle AOB is equal to angle AOD CPCTC, but angle AOB plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree. Can anybody tell me the reason?
Linear pair.
Linear pair.
Yes. Therefore, see, angle AOB plus AOD is 180 and AOB is equal to AOD. Therefore, you can say that 2 times angle AOB is equal to 180 degree, and therefore angle AOB is equal to 180 by 2, which is 90 degree. And therefore, you can say that AO sorry, not AO, AC. Therefore, AC is perpendicular bisector. Is perpendicular bisector of BD. Okay, because we have proved that BO is equal to OD by CPCTC and angle AOB as 90. So we can say that AC is perpendicular bisector of BD. Done? 18th one. Did you understand 18th? How many are
Yes,
there?
sir.
Okay, many students are there. Great, great, great. Okay, tell me the next doubt now. I'm going to take one more.
Sir,
Yes.
I have a doubt in question 12 and question 19.
Okay, 12th and 19th. Anything else? Exercise C, somebody was telling.
Sir, question 4.
Okay, who is this?
Sir, Yash.
Yash. Yes, Yash. Okay. Twelfth is this one, right?
Yes, sir.
नियति ये ऐसा किया था यार हमने कोई क्वेश्चन. Okay,
Sir,
anyway.
in 7B it was same.
7B है ये. 7A में भी था ये क्वेश्चन.
सर इसके पहले हमने ऐसे ही कोई क्वेश्चन किया था जिसमें ऐड करना था.
ऐड करना था, करेक्ट. ठीक है. Twelfth and 19th. Just a moment. Okay, let's start with 12th. In the figure, BA is perpendicular to AC and DE is perpendicular to EF such that BA is equal to DE. BA is equal to DE and both these angles are 90 degrees. Okay. And BF is equal to DC. So this part is equal to this part. prove that AC is equal to EF. Okay, so Niyati, you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell
Yes,
me
sir.
which two triangles we'll consider.
The triangle DEF and triangle ABC.
Okay, so in triangle ABC and triangle EDF. Okay, EDF. Can you tell me the equal parts?
Sir, AB is equals to DE.
Why?
Given.
Okay, next.
Sir, BC is equals to DF because sir
No. First,
No?
angle BAC is equal to angle
Ah,
DEF. Why?
both 90 degree.
Okay. Now
And
wait. See, these are the two parts. Okay. Now see, what you will do is, there are two ways of doing this. You can directly write BC is equal to DF. Okay, and here you can make a curly bracket and write the reason behind why BC is equal to DF, because it's not given. So you will write BF is equal to DC, BF is equal to DC, which is given, and now you will write adding FC to both sides, so BF plus FC is equal to DC plus CF. So BF plus FC is BC is equal to DC plus CF is DF. Okay, so this is how you should give the reason. And therefore you can say that triangle ABC,
Sir,
yes,
it should be BC is equals to FT.
BC
sir,
is
it
equal
should
to
be BC is equal to DF,
FD.
not CF. You wrote CF.
BC is equal to DF, na? Because D.
FTDF.
You wrote CF, sir.
No, I'm not able to understand what you're saying.
Sir, you have written BC is equal to CF, but it should be BC is equal to DF.
Sorry, got it. Okay, got it. Other than that, it's correct, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so triangle ABC is congruent to triangle EDF. Okay, now the problem begins here, because which test to use? Because this is like two sides and an angle. Okay, so here the test which you are going to use is RHS. But you see, there is one more thing which is very interesting. As you know that these two angles are right angles. Okay, these two angles are right angles. We can say that these two sides are parallel to each other. These two sides are parallel to each other. And we can say that this angle is equal to this angle. But I will not recommend you to use that particular thing. Use the same method and prove it congruent by RHS test. Right angle, hypotenuse, side test. All of you know RHS test by now.
Yes, sir.
So you can use this. You can use RHS test and you can prove these two triangles congruent. So if that was the doubt, then RHS test can be used now. Any of the five tests can be used now.
When I was solving this, I didn't know RHS test, so that's why.
Yeah. So that's why the next day itself I put the next video that is of RHS, and now I think you should be able to use any of the test. Okay. So therefore you can say that AC is equal to EF by CPCTC. Okay, 19th was also doubt. In the figure, P is the point in the interior of angle AOB. Okay, so angle AOB we know. In the interior of angle AOB there is a point P. if PL is perpendicular to OA, okay, so this is perpendicular, PM is perpendicular to OB, such that PL is equal to PM. PL is equal to PM. Show that OP
Excuse me,
is...
sir.
Yes.
So sorry for disturbance, sir. Can I leave?
Who is this?
Sir Sarvik.
Yeah, you can, no problem.
Sir, I have computer class.
Yeah, sure, no problem. Okay, so PM is equal to PL, PM is perpendicular to OB, PL is perpendicular to OA, and we have to prove that OP is bisector of angle AOB, and that's very easy. So Niyati, this was your doubt, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me which two triangles we'll consider? I'll not write, but I can highlight here.
The triangle POM and triangle POL.
Okay, and a triangle, the green and the red one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you tell me what is equal in both the triangles?
Sir, angle PLO
Uh-huh.
is equals to angle PMO, both 90 degree.
Okay.
And OP is equals to PO because it's common.
Okay.
And PL is equals to PM because it's given.
So are these two triangles congruent?
Yes, sir. This was again the doubt when I didn't know what RHS is.
Yes. So again here you can apply RHS test, prove these two triangles congruent, and by CP/CTC you can prove that angle MOP is equal to angle LOP, and therefore OP is bisector of angle AOB. CP/CTC. Done?
Yes, sir.
Great. The last question. यश, तुम्हारा डाउट है ना ये?
Yes, sir.
If perpendiculars from any point within an angle on its arms are congruent, prove that it lies on the bisector of the angle. ये तेरे को ऊपर वाला क्वेश्चन दिख रहा है क्या यश?
हाँ सर.
सेम क्वेश्चन को वो लोग ने सेंटेंस फॉर्म में लिखा है. If perpendicular drawn from any point within an angle, एंगल के अंदर वाला पॉइंट कौन सा है? P. P से परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ किया है, दिख रहा है PM और PL, ठीक है? प्रूव दैट इट लाइज, इट मतलब ये वाला पॉइंट लाई करता है, किस पे लाई करता है? बाइसेक्टर ऑफ दैट एंगल. ये OP जो है ना, ये बाइसेक्टर है किसका? AOB, एंगल का बाइसेक्टर है. जो हमने अभी प्रूव किया, सेम फिगर बनाना है, सेम गिवन टू प्रूव, सब कुछ सेम लिख के सेम प्रूफ लिखना है. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 and question number 4 from 7C are exactly same. Only question number 4 में उसको sentence form में लिखा है, डायग्राम नहीं दिया है. कर लेगा ये?
हाँ सर.
श्योर?
हाँ सर, वो बस मेरे को सेंटेंस में करना, इसलिए समझा नहीं क्या करना.
नो प्रॉब्लम. आई थिंक अभी तो क्लियर हो गया ये.
हाँ,
चलो नेक्स्ट डाउट कोई है और बचा है डाउट? I was counting the doubts. 13 doubts solve किए हमने आज. Very nice. Respectable, yeah. Okay, I'll stop the recording now.